All right, today we got some tools that arrived, so super excited about that. We got some Impact universal joint sockets. This is a 3-piece set, and they look real fancy. I'm excited to try these. I'm gonna be trying these. I'm gonna put my snap-on set away. I'm gonna be trying these ones out for as long as they'll hold up. So we're really gonna put them to the test. And then we also have this 7-piece set metric slim profile open-end wrenches, which I'm actually pretty excited about because I don't have those. And I have a lot of wrenches, but not those ones. So let's get into opening this up.
Those are really good for brake and sway bar links.
Absolutely, yeah, sway bar links. Sometimes they're so skinny you can't get a regular wrench to fit in there. And same with slider pins for brakes. A lot of times just a regular wrench is just too wide, it's too thick. So you can see here, comes in a nice foam case, similar to the snap-on case actually. I've swapped out my red one for a green one, but it's interesting. You can see pretty much the same height. You get all this stuff out of the way. Pretty close.
Yeah, actually a
Tad bit lower, but not bad. Open this up. So these are professional grade tools for an affordable price is what their slogan is. And they're actually not too bad. These wrenches here, the 7-piece metric set, $78.87 with a limited lifetime warranty. And you also, anything over $125 is free shipping. So I do actually have, I lied, I do actually have some slim wrenches that I just recently inherited. So they're a little bit slimmer. This is a, yeah, you got 18, 19. So I got 19. Let's pull this 19. So there's the thickness of the snap-on compared to the slim wrenches. And then the ones that I thought I had that were pretty slim, they're even slimmer than that. So these are very slim, very nice. They feel pretty lightweight, but that's to be expected for how thin they are. I mean, not a lot of material. They'd be great like for slipping right in places. Like they don't have like a fat end on them at all, and they're just straightforward. So be interesting. I'm gonna definitely be putting these to the test and trying them. You can use them on all kinds of different stuff you'll see in future videos, so we'll give them a try.
This foam is nice.
Yeah, the foam's like, that's just a thing that started happening, I guess, lately. I mean, I don't know how long Snap-ons had their foam out for, but I mean, bought this wrench set and now I'm a big fan of it, so. We'll get into this here with the Impact swivels. Give those a try. I really like the red on the outside. They're looks like an anodized aluminum sleeve or something like that. So they give you a little card that just says, "Thank you, we appreciate your support. Hope you love our products, blah, blah, blah. Get to 10% off your next order." And there's a QR code there. So here we go. We got these swivels here. It comes with a nice little base for them too, which is kind of cool. And yeah, you can see they got this sleeve on there. It's printed. Obviously you're gonna know what size they are just by looking at it, but in case you don't know, it says it on the side. I don't know exactly how many degrees of angle they get, but for the price of them, they're actually pretty cheap for a set of 3, to be honest. 42 bucks, like that's not too bad. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting my Snap-on ones away, and I'm just gonna run these for the year and see how they hold up. I'm gonna literally use them and abuse them, put them through hell, and see what they do and let you guys know if they're worth the money or not. Be 100% honest with you. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. I just wanted to share with you that these came in, and we're gonna be using them. If you like them, or want to get anything off their website, they have all kinds of cool stuff. We do have a link in the description. It's Tech28. That'll get you 5% off of your first purchase. Saves you a little bit. And go check them out. They got all kinds of stuff from hand tools to tool chest organizers, all kinds of magnetic trays and stuff like that. They have a really cool grid that's actually very similar to the Matco tool grid system. And I'm really debating on getting that. It's pretty cool. So go check them out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.